Looking to ace the CFA Level 2 exam in just 3 months? The CFA Level 2 Study Guide 2025 by Zain Academy is the ultimate resource you need. Packed with 1,574 questioning mind study points, 1,352 true-false questions with explanations, 1,288 fill-in-the-blank questions with answers, and 582 word search puzzles, this guide covers everything you need to pass. The book is available in an integrated, printable PDF format, optimized for all screen sizes, with no time or device restrictions, allowing unlimited access whenever you need it. Enhance your learning experience by accessing CFA Level 2 learning videos on Zain Academy's YouTube channel and benefit from personal support from Muhammad Zain through WhatsApp or email. Ask unlimited questions and get instant responses to guide you through your journey. For an added edge, subscribe to the CFA Level 2 Question Bank 2025, featuring challenging questions with explanations, specifically designed to enhance critical thinking and problem-solving skills. With an impressive 90% success ratio among Zain Academy's global candidates, subscribing to the CFA Level 2 Study Guide 2025 will not only help you pass the exam, but also enhance your skills and income. Visit the Zain Academy website, read the Google reviews, and subscribe today to boost your CFA Level 2 preparation.